Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we got a 2019 Kia Forte. On this 2019 Kia Forte we're going to go over how you remove the front bumper or the front bumper cover, which is the plastic piece that's covering a reinforced portion of the bumper. And we are going to go over how you remove it. And the reason you do remove it is so that you can remove this headlight assembly. Also, if you need to do anything different with this assembly, to be able to replace it if like a rock flew up and broke it, as well as these, or the grill replacements. They all push out through the bumper. If something had broke this grill and you got a new grill, you have to remove the whole bumper. So the way you remove it is, to start with, we've got 4 bolts up top here that we need to loosen and remove. They are size 10 millimeter, and so we remove those. Put those aside, and then on the side, in your fender wells, there's an array of push pins, and there is one screw or bolt that goes in on both sides. That's an 8 millimeter bolt that goes in through the bottom of the bumper up into the fender. And then once that's all done, then we have this plate down. This is your skid plate or a shield for the water and debris to not be sticking up into the engine. So you just need to pull all the push pins from the fender well, all the push pins from the bottom of this that go into here. You don't have to take this off completely to remove it. It has just been taken off for a previous thing. But you do need to take all of the bolts from the push pins that are connecting into the bottom of the bumper. And once that's done, there's some push pins to do under here. So let me pull those out. Once you have all the push pins removed, then you can pull on the very edge of this bumper, and you're just going to pull it and snap it free. And we do the same on the other side. And that frees the whole bumper. Now you're just going to pick up a little bit and pull out. Note that your handle's here, so you can't really raise up too much. We're going to have some electrical connections that we have to undo on the back, being the connectors to go to here and on this side. And there are also probably the electrical connector that goes to the ambient temperature sensor that's sitting right in there. So that's how you remove the front bumper on your 2019 Kia Forte. We only had to undo the electrical connectors that went to the 2 lights on this side, the 2 lights on that side. The ambient temperature sensor was actually mounted to the metal subframe of the bumper, so we don't need to worry about removing that. With the bumper removed, now you can do other things behind it that you may need to do, as well as being able to remove this if you need to replace this because it's broken. So, and the grill, like I said, it presses in from the back, so you would have to remove the bumper to do that. So You bring your bumper up to here, and you're going to just pick it up, and you're going to put it up and over onto these tabs, and then line up and snap everything into place. So, and the electric, we could either hook it up now, or you can hook it up later because we don't have the shield on the bottom. So we'll just go ahead and climb under and do that. So you work it around, make sure we got all the lines to line up there for the looking nice, and then snap that into place on this side, and do the same thing over here. We got one little nub here. We got to make sure we get that up and over it. Line up the light through there, and then this. Push everything and tighten into place. Then you've got the 4 size 10 bolts to put in up the top here. So onto this side and in the fender well, you've got one bolt that's going to go up here, and that is a size 8. We do the same on the other side. You work your way around, put all the push pins in on this side. And you got the safety, you've got this shield to be able to put the push pins, the 7 bolts that hold it on, and then that's it. But also remember to hook up the electric that goes to here and to here. Just crawl under, reach your hand up, and connect all the connectors, and then put that shield back on. And that's how you put your front bumper on your 2019 Kia Forte. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.